Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can pay franchise tax step by step. So let's start. Open your browser, just write here controller Texas and open your first official link. This website you can use to pay your franchise tax every year. In a year you have to pay this tax one time for your LLC and for your company registered in Texas, USA. So let's start. Open your this link e-system login and just log in with your username and password. Write here your user ID and here you can write here your user ID and here your password and enter login. As you can see, I already logged into my account and you have to click on file and pay this link and click on file and pay franchise tax, right? This is a franchise tax, and then there are several options that you have to read. First you have to select this option, file and EZ computation report, and click on continue. And as you can see, this is a tax for 2024 report May 15 2024, and click on select this one and click on continue, and then click on continue. Now you have to select no and continue. Here now you have to provide some information. Nice code, you need this code. So how you can find this code for your company? Just copy the nice code and just search on Google, right? Nice code, and open this link, North America link, and then click on 2022 nice and select your company, that what type of company you have. Then you can search your company, for example what you are selling, and for example I'm selling retail, or you can say retail trade, right? I'm doing retail, and here you can select your what type of things you are selling. So you will find your own code here for your company. You can find your code, retail, and like you can say hobby, try, and if you are selling these things you can select this code, copy this code and paste here, right? And now you have to click on no, and then you have to write the accounting year, right? So you have to write, for example, month 01 2023, and then 12/31 2023, right? And here you have to write 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, right? 0 0, right? And click on continue. Now this is my company detail, and then again you can click on continue. And now this is almost done and is okay. You just read your detail carefully and click on continue. Select this and click on continue. As you can see, now you provide all the information. You just read your information. Is everything is okay? Simply read and then submit report. As you can see, my franchise tax is done. Now you can print your this report and save in your local system, right? Save as a PDF, and now you can, if you need in the future, so you can use this report if someone asks you. So this is quite easy. You can file your franchise tax easily, step by step, online. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.